Good evening, everyone. This is Mukhtar Bashir Adam speaking from Horn Peace Prize, a daily news podcast show at Jijjiga National Region, Ethiopia. Welcome to episode 4, which is concerning what broadcast is. So, this topic tonight we will talk about the main importance of broadcasting and how it works. Okay? Peter. Okay, let us start what broadcast is. Broadcasting is a collection or a series of digital audio files that are made up of available downloading or listening via internet. Each individual audio recording is known as broadcast episode. Broadcasts are typically hosted by an individual or individuals who lead conversation or share history or reporting or else news. The creator of broadcasting is known as broadcaster. Podcasts are hosted on streaming applications such as Spotify, Stitcher, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts. Those all things comes under the umbrella of iOS. So, how does the podcast work? Broadcasters interested in creating their own podcasts. There are several avenues to publish. It is work. Unlike radio station, television network, which are often subjected to regulation and approvals. Several broadcasting platforms are able to create new broadcasts. You need to a few pieces or equipment such as USB, microphone, pop filter, headphones, and you also need to access audio recording and editing softwares in order to produce a very quality based broadcasts. For instance, the listeners of podcast operators like on-demand internet radio shows, you can listen of episodes on podcast app or subscribe to podcasts online using on RSS feed, rich site summary or really simple syndication. Podcast subscribers are noticed each time. New episodes available most smartphones, including iPhone and Android phones. This will also come very equipped with media players, which allows to subscribe to podcasts and stream or download podcast episodes. What are the 5 types of podcasts? Podcasts have become one of the most popular forms of digital media for both customers, creators. There's millions of new episodes which are already published. Different directors or different broadcaster professionals. Number 1 is a scripted fiction. Scripted fiction. A fiction broadcasters either audio, word, or video. This is a theoretical production. This is a form of a theoretical production or a fictional broadcast might tell a single serialized history, typically like a TV show or audiobooks. They may tell a new story, which is episode. So, this type of episode or broadcast is scripted fiction. The second is interview. Such style of broadcasts is typically have host or pair of co-hosts who conduct an interview with a person of interest, similarly to TV talk show. So, interview is one of the 5 types of broadcasts, which is hostess interview with invited person or hosted, just like TV talk, as TV most probably does. Okay. The third one is a monologue. Monologue is a single individualist which produce a monologue or solo broadcast. They may be an expert or a particular field with information to share, a storyteller, a comedian, or news anchor. So, a monologue is a third one of a broadcast. And most probably, this type is uses storytellers or comedians or news. A good example can be Ancho for non-fiction storytellers. Non-fiction storytelling is the fourth type of broadcast. One of the most popular types of broadcast is storytelling broadcast that retell true stories. So, non-fiction storytelling is one of the most important type of broadcasts, which is concerned storytelling or true history happened. These broadcasts may contain interviews with those involved in the history of an expert with a knowledge of the history through crime broadcasts. Okay, the last one is a conversation. Conversation is another popular broadcast format which involves a panel of hosts who record themselves having interesting and entertainment conversation on a specific topic. This could include comedy, sport, pop culture, and etc. and the like. Thanks for your scholarly listening attention. That's all about the
Thank you for your beautiful and scholarly reading and listening attention on our Corona Peace Prize broadcast show at episode 24, which we were discussing or just talking the main importance behind this broadcast and how it works. So that's all about our tonight's broadcast show on episode 024. Meet you next time. Keep in touch. Mukhtar Bashir Adam, Corona Peace Prize Daily News. Goodbye.